Replacing a door might seem like a small update, but it can have a major impact on your home's comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency. Whether you're upgrading your front entryway or replacing a patio door, planning is key. Many homeowners in Des Allemands unknowingly make mistakes that lead to drafts, poor security, or costly repairs later on. By understanding the most common missteps ahead of time, you can ensure your door replacement is done right the first time. Choosing the wrong door material. The South Louisiana climate can be tough on exterior materials due to humidity, frequent storms, and intense sun exposure. Not all doors perform equally well under these conditions. Wood doors look beautiful but can swell or warp if not properly sealed and maintained. Steel doors are secure and durable but can rust if water intrusion occurs. Fiberglass doors are a great all-weather option but vary in quality from one manufacturer to another. Before you select a style, consider long-term performance, maintenance needs, and how well the material will hold up in local weather conditions. Focusing only on appearance. Curb appeal matters, but looks shouldn't be the only factor in your decision. Homeowners often fall in love with a style or color without considering functionality. Energy ratings, insulation value, and hardware quality are just as important as design. A door may look high-end but still underperform if it isn't constructed with the right features for southern weather. Wrong measurements or poor fit. A door that doesn't fit perfectly can cause drafts, noise infiltration, and premature wear. Even a small gap can throw off alignment or weaken security. Many issues occur because measurements were taken incorrectly or because a homeowner tried to make it work with shims or filler materials. A precision fit is essential for a secure, weatherproof seal. Skipping professional installation. Improper installation is one of the leading reasons new doors fail sooner than expected. Even the best quality door won't perform correctly if it is not installed squarely, level, and sealed properly. Hiring an experienced installer ensures the frame, hinges, and threshold are aligned correctly and insulated to prevent moisture damage. This step is especially important in storm-prone areas like Des Allemands, where door stability is critical. Mistake number 5. Overlooking energy efficiency. A replacement door should help reduce energy loss, not contribute to it. Many homeowners forget to check for insulated cores, multi-point locking systems, or Energy Star ratings. An energy-efficient door helps keep indoor temperatures stable, which is vital in Louisiana's heat and humidity. Choosing the right model can reduce your utility bills while improving year-round comfort. Ignoring local climate conditions. The Gulf Coast region is unique in terms of moisture, heat, and storm exposure. Doors that are not designed for this environment can deteriorate faster. Look for features such as reinforced frames, weather-resistant finishes, and hurricane-rated glass if replacing a patio or entry door. Not considering security features. Your entry door is a major point of protection for your home. Many homeowners invest in style but overlook strong locks, impact-resistant materials, or reinforced strike plates. Upgraded security features can make a big difference in both peace of mind and long-term value. The smart way to approach door replacement in Des Allemands. A successful door replacement comes down to preparation, quality materials, and proper installation. By avoiding the mistakes above, you'll enjoy a long-lasting improvement in your home's comfort, safety, and appearance. Working with a knowledgeable local installer can help ensure your new door is not only stylish but also strong, weather-resistant, and energy efficient for years to come.